It's Noelle. Listen to me very closely right now. Have you ever noticed what happens when someone pulls out a sleek, heavy, metallic American Express card at a high-end restaurant or a business meeting? There is an instant, unspoken shift in the room. People look at that card and they assume absolute luxury, high status, and a massive bank balance. But let me tell you the real secret. The amateur investors are obsessed with using these cards to look rich. The real millionaires, the real estate moguls, and the true empire builders love them for a completely different reason. They use them as a powerful weapon to get wealthier. So today, I am going to pull back the curtain on the actual data and the mechanics behind why the top 1% choose Amex over almost every other payment processor on earth. And I will take this high-level analysis and break it down so I can map you out my signature wealth blueprint. I'm going to show you exactly how the wealthy leverage charge cards to fund massive real estate deals, protect their capital with zero friction, and build an automated lifestyle using other people's money. If you are ready to move from a basic consumer mindset to an elite producer mindset, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a likes up so I can share all the secrets with you right now. Let's go.
Noelle. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that, yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that, let's fix that.
Okay, so let's get right into this because I have so much amazing information for you. But to get an American Express, you probably know you need a really good credit score. So if you need help with your credit score, call my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net. Link in the description box. More on them in a second. So let's look at the actual data that I uncovered, because it completely shatters the myth that premium credit cards are just a marketing gimmick. According to industry financial metrics shared by MoneyLion, the average American Express Platinum card holder doesn't just make a good living, they have an average annual income of $474,000 and an average net worth of $4.3 million. And if you look at the legendary invitation-only Black card, the Centurion, the numbers jump into a completely different atmosphere. The average Centurion holder makes $1.8 million every single year and commands an average net worth of $14 million. When a business entity like American Express builds a closed-loop payment ecosystem around a clientele that affluent, the entire economic model changes. CNBC's recent financial reporting highlighted that because Amex controls both the issuing side and the merchant network side, they capture massive data analytics. This allows them to insulate themselves against economic downturns significantly better than traditional credit card companies that cater to average or subprime consumers. But why do these multimillionaires hand over hundreds of dollars annually in fees for a credit card? I have broke it down into 7 core pillars, but the absolute biggest one revolves around a fundamental structural difference that most regular people don't even understand. The power of a charge card versus a traditional credit card. Traditional credit cards give you a rigid, predefined credit limit. If your limit is $5,000 and you try to spend $5,001 to secure a business asset, your card gets declined on the spot. But the flagship Amex card operate as charge cards with no preset spending limit. This single feature is why elite business owners use them to move massive amounts of capital without a single drop of friction. Quick timeout before I get into this point. You need to call my friends at Creative Credit Solutions today. They are absolute experts when it comes to credit restoration. They are not credit repair. They truly can help you restore your credit and do amazing things that others just cannot. They help me with my personal credit score, and they can probably help you too. Not only can they help you get things deleted off the credit report, in many cases, they can have new trade lines added. They can get you access to funding. They can do balance transfer transfers. Again, there are so many things that they can do and that they know, and it's individualized towards you. It's not just some YouTube video or some just standard answer. They will give you a call and information based on your situation, and they have helped so many, they could probably help you too. You do not want to wait on a good credit score because you could have it in a matter of weeks in some cases. This is not something that will take years and years, and you do not have to have a mediocre or a bad credit score. You can have a great credit score year after year after year, and you can turn that into multiples using business credit and business funding. All right, let me get more into this because the American Express business credit card is amazing, and you need a good personal credit score to access it. So call my friends in the description box and let me get back to this. Let me tell you a story about how understanding this exact mechanism can save your deal from falling apart. I have a student, let's call him Christian. Christian was working on his very first large-scale corporate housing deal. He had negotiated a beautiful contract to furnish a luxury 4-bedroom penthouse apartment for a high-paying corporate executive tenant. Everything was signed, but the tenant needed to move in within exactly 5 days. Christian went to an upscale furniture showroom to purchase all the design packages, beds, electronics, and decor. The exact bill came out to be $32,500. Christian pulled out his traditional business credit card from a major retail bank. Even though he had a clean payment history, the bank's fraud and credit limit system instantly blocked the transaction. He sat on the phone with customer service for 45 minutes trying to get an emergency limit increase while the showroom manager was getting impatient. The deal was about to stall out before it even started. I told him on a coaching call, Christian, pull out your American Express Business Gold Card. Because he has spent the last 6 months running his basic business utilities and smaller expenses through that card, the Amex internal underwriting algorithm already understood his business cash flow patterns. He handed the card to the cashier. They ran the entire $32,500 in one single swipe, and it approved instantly without one single call required. Christian was able to furnish the entire property on time. The corporate tenant moved in and he paid back the entire Amex statement balance 3 weeks later when the tenant's upfront corporate deposit money hit his account. He didn't use a single dollar of his own cash savings. He used Amex's massive purchasing power as a temporary liquidity bridge to generate a permanent cash flowing asset. So now let's get to the perks, because I know if there is something the wealthy love, it's a good deal. They don't view an annual fee as an expense. They view it as an investment matrix. Let's look at how a premium American Express account structurally compares to traditional high street banking credit limits. Let's compare high street credit cards with this premium American Express. Number one is going to be spending capacity. With high street credit cards, you are going to have strict limits. With the premium American Express, no preset spending limits. This one thing leads to unlimited capacity. I've literally charged over $300,000 on my Platinum American Express card in one day at one place. No issues, no problem. It allows you to infinitely scale your business. Now let's talk about dispute resolutions. Dispute resolution with a high street credit card could be lengthy and requires you to send them lots of paperwork and documentation. On the American Express side, it is in-house. They will handle it and they handle things quickly. Now let's talk about status. On the high street credit card, you have random generic perks or packages or travel points. On the American Express side, you have instant access to elite programs. And let's talk about administrative support. On the high street credit card side, you have automated systems, long lines trying to get through to a person because of all the AI and all of the people that they have to not speak to you in this country or try to automate things. On the American Express system, they have administrative support. In many cases, you actually have a person assigned to you, especially if it is a Platinum Business American Express card. You have your own person that helps you out. This leads us to the operational protections that American Express has that cannot be matched anywhere else. Let me explain. This part blew my mind. Because American Express owns the entire payment network end to end, they don't have to pass customer disputes through layers of intermediate banks. Their purchase and shop protections are entirely frictionless. Let me give you a real example. If you buy a high-end laptop for your business or a piece of equipment for a rental property and it gets damaged, stolen, or broken within the protection window, American Express's in-house claims process settles it rapidly. The wealthy do not have time to argue with insurance company or fill out 50 pages of documents. They pay for speed, and American Express delivers speed. Then you have the concierge team. Think of this as having an outsourced executive administrative assistant entirely for free. So instead of spending hours researching itineraries, trying to land hard to get reservations at Michelin star restaurants for client dinners, or booking last minute travel changes, the wealthy simply text or call their Amex concierge team. When you enter the upper echelons of business, time becomes far more valuable than currency. If a premium card saves you 10 hours of logistical headaches a month, it has paid its annual fee 10 times over. On top of that, you are getting automatic elite tier status across global hotel networks and airlines without having to spend dozens of nights proving your loyalty. The system automatically assumes you belong in the room, and as a result, you are showered with free upgrades, free breakfast credits, and luxury amenities that the average traveler pays thousands of dollars out of pocket to experience. So if you are sitting there thinking, Noelle, this sounds great for people that are already millionaires, but how do I get started? Listen to me. You do not wait until you are rich to adopt the habits of the wealthy. You adopt the habits of the wealthy to become rich. So let me tell you what you're going to do. Recent market insights published in the Harvard Joint Center for Housing Studies and the Stanford Institute for Economic Policy Research emphasize that during inflationary cycles, controlling corporate leverage and optimizing business spending is the single fastest way to insulate your company's bottom line. Here is your exact step-by-step action blueprint to position your business within the premium credit ecosystem right now. Number 1, establish clean corporate infrastructure. Do not apply for premium personal credit cards that drag down your personal debt to income ratio. Set up a clean LLC, secure your federal EIN, employer identification number, and open up a dedicated business bank account to build an independent corporate identity. Number 2, optimize your baseline FICO credit score. Ensure your personal consumer credit profile is clean, with utilization kept under 10%. American Express will initially evaluate the business owner's personal credit history to extend their very first corporate approvals. Again, this is where I'm telling you, call my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net. They can even help you with your utilization. They can help you get balance transfers. They can help you get new credit cards. They can help you get that personal credit score where it needs to be. Free consultation, link in the description box. Use it. Don't wait. These calls fill up quickly. Get that credit score and that profile where it needs to be, because this is the money play that you want. Let me keep going. Number 3, target unadvertised welcome bonuses. Do not just click the first link you see. Hunt for hidden, elevated sign-up offers like the $150,000 to $175,000 point promotions that I highlight. I'll put a link in the description box to instantly generate thousands of dollars in free travel capital from your everyday organic spending. You can get hundreds of thousands of points immediately if you use the right link when you sign up for that Amex. And number 4, funnel organic expenses to expand your limits. Route all your business utilities, marketing spend, and inventory purchases through the card. Pay the statement balance in full every single month. This teaches the internal Amex underwriting algorithm to rapidly scale your no preset spending capacity into 6 figures. The tools are completely real. The capital is out there. And the premium lifestyle is waiting for you. You just have to stop looking at credit cards as a way to buy things that you can't afford and start looking at them as a tool to leverage your way into true financial independence. To help structure your LLC properly and secure tons of business funding so that you can get approved for these elite tiers fast, I want you to call my friends at creativecreditsolutions.net. Creative Credit Solutions helped me many, many years ago to fix my own personal credit, and they have helped thousands of people do the exact same thing. Not only will they give you the information one time, they will be able to tell you and coach you how to always keep a great credit profiles because they are absolute experts when it comes to this stuff. And again, they help me and they could probably help you too. And this is absolutely free, so you don't want to miss this. Call Creative Credit Solutions today for your free consultation. Get that profile, get those high credit limits, and be the person that you want. Have the business and the money and the capital that you deserve. You need it, you can do it, and they are here to help. I want to make sure that you call them today because I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the tools, and all of the resources that you need to be successful. This is Noelle, to your success.
Let's fix that.